Hello guys, this is me Pooja Training Wali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here in front of you to have another TEDx talk, that is the Broken Promise of Education, presented by Michael Treza, and I am going to give a review on this TEDx today. So let's start. First of all, I will give a short intro of Michael Trenza. Michael Trenza is an entrepreneur and education advocate. In this TEDx talk, he mainly talks about how the education system needs to change to prepare our student for the modern world, for the future, and for problem solving. So now I am moving towards the review about this TED Talk. So in this TED Talk, Michael Trenza explained that for many of the years, students were told that if they will study hard, they will go good grades and earn a degree. They would have a successful future. However, he believed that this promise is becoming less certain because this world is changing very quickly, and we are learning that has been designed many years ago. So nowadays these degrees and the grade and good marks have no as much value as it was in the past year. He discusses that how technology, how artificial intelligence that we are also learning from Ryan School, how the automation system, AI boot like are changing the job market. Many AI has been replaced job market. So many future careers will also require skills that are not always taught in traditional classroom, because as I have told you earlier that the what we are learning now has been designed very very long ago. So we should learn what we need now. We should change our education system like the evolution in today's world, because this world is going very fast and this is the era of AI, science, and technology. So he believes that school should focus too much on memorization and exams, while students also need important skill such as critical thinking, their talent, their creativity, communication skills, we can say problem solving and adaptability, and so on. So he said that a school should not only focus on the lectures, on the memorization, and on the curriculum, on exams, on grade, on degree, but we should also focus on these skills. We should also focus on the students' creativity, their talents. We should improve their communication skills. We should build up their confidence. We should make them able to solve their problems on their own. That will be a good for their bright future. And another key message of this talk is the importance of lifelong learning. Michael also says that learning should not stop after graduation. People always need to keep learning new skills throughout their lives to stay successful in a changing life. It means that our age does not matter with our education, no matter how old we are, because this world is evolving day by day. So, no matter how old we are, we have to learn new skills, because as new skills are coming, so we should also adapt it in our life. So this was all about this talk. And I personally found this TEDx very, very informative and very inspiring because this talk made me think about how education can better prepare students for their bright future. I agree that a school should focus more on practical skills, on their creativity, on problem solving instead of only exams, exams, and exams. In conclusion, this TEDx talk highlight the need for educational change. His message reminds us this students must be prepared not only for exams but also for the challenges and the opportunities for their bright future. Thank you.